Hey friends, if you encounter this issue with ReCAPTCHA is not working on the Chrome browser, then please watch this video. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Now go to this website which is fast.com and hit enter. Okay, check the internet speed. Why are we doing this? Because if the internet is not working at the first place, then it doesn't matter what other solution you try because the reCAPTCHA won't work when the internet is not working. So we need to be sure about the internet connection before anything else. The next solution is to disable VPN and proxy. And how will we do that? So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. This is for disabling the proxy. For VPN, contact the VPN provider. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. This will open the Internet Properties window. Go to the Connections tab. Click on LAN settings. Make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server is unchecked. Click on OK and then on OK once again. And the last solution is to perform a full system antivirus scan. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab and then select Scan options. Select Full Scan. Scroll down, click on Scan Now and let it scan all the files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.